Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today let us unbox and review this rock roller. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Press the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon to get notified whenever there is a new video on the channel. You can get this rock roller from many online stores and offline stores as well. You can get this rock roller from somewhere around 800 to 1200 rupees. And this unit I have ordered it from Flipkart. So here is the rock roller box. Let me try to open it. It's fitted quite tightly inside the box. Okay, finally here is the rock roller. So we have got the green unit. And let me open it. And inside the box we get a rock roller including this remote which has a steering shape, and there are the batteries. So it is 700 milliamp hour battery. So let me try to remove this. Okay, they have tied it tightly with zip tags. The vehicle is having a good shock absorb. Okay, let us check this remote. It has a nice steering shaped wheel. Okay, here is a charger. And let us check a demo of this rock roller. It is having some good suspension and each individual suspensions. Before that, let us insert the batteries. To insert a battery, first we have to remove the screw. You have to use star-shaped screwdriver for this. And here is the battery. First we have to connect it. And we have to fit the batteries inside. It is done. Now this back cover won't fit properly. Like if you have to fit it again and again, each time you charge the batteries, you have to put it back and you have to tighten the screw. If not, the back cover will fall down. So let me tighten this. So that was the charger. Yeah, you can see that light glowing. And now let us insert the batteries for this remote control. First of all, you have to remove the screw. For that you need a star screwdriver. Okay, let me remove this. And for this remote control, you have to install 3 AAA batteries. Yes, you can see here 3 AAA battery. Okay, now let us check the performance of this rock roller. The motor is quite powerful and it is trying to handle all the uneven surfaces. And the battery provided with this rock roller is only 700 mAh, and it is not so sufficient. It can give a playtime of roughly around 15 to 20 minutes. And the best part is you can upgrade this batteries. You can just search it on Amazon and you can upgrade this batteries to 1000 or 2000 mAh. And now let us see the performance of this rock roller.